Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is Akshay Sapkal and you're watching me on channel Believer. So today's video is specifically for the students who are already in Germany or maybe planning to come to the Germany in the nearest future. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to find the part-time jobs which are available in Germany. So let's get started. So the students here in Germany of part-time jobs. So if you are doing your part-time job during your semester, then you're allowed to do only and only 20 hours per week. But if you are on your semester break, in that case you are allowed to do 40 hours per week. But you have to remember here that during the entire calendar year, the days should not be exceeding more than 120 days in a full, or maybe 240 days in a tip is keep an eye on that part. Now I'm gonna tell you how you can find the part-time jobs here in Germany. So there are many ways to find the part-time jobs here in Germany, but the most easiest way is to search for the part-time jobs within your university. So if you are able to find a part-time job in the university, or maybe you're a lucky person who got the part-time job in university, then at a times this 40 hours restrictions or maybe the 20 hours restrictions does not apply to you, because you're already working for the university under the professor. So first job searching place is going to be your university. Now, the second place to search for the part-time jobs here in Germany is the hot jobs. So for hot jobs, what you can simply do is go to Google, type in your city name and put some part-time jobs opportunities or some keywords as such, and it will give you some random hits. So you can open some those random links and start applying for the part-time jobs. Third place is going to be the online platforms. So many of you are already aware that the online platforms as such LinkedIn, then you have Stepstone, then you have a Indie, then you have a monster.com, and the list keeps on and on. So I'm not gonna take all the names here. I'm just gonna put everything here in the description or maybe at the side of this window, so that you can refer to those websites and start searching for the jobs in which you are already interested in. So the next is, if you are a student who does not really feel shy working at any place, then I would recommend you to directly walk up to the restaurants, because most of the restaurants have the opportunities for the students to do the part-time jobs. The restaurants as such, the McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, and the list again goes on and on. And mostly I had a lot of friends in my university who did work in the Indian restaurants in their cities. So maybe you guys can give it a try. So the next is working student job. So I am not sure many of you are already aware of this or not, but working student is really the stream specific job. So if you would like to work in your specific stream, then there are a lot of working student jobs available here in Germany, but you need to search those at the right places. So for me, I used to refer LinkedIn, Stepstone, Indeed, monster.com, and mostly the referrals from the companies. So if I find any opportunities available, I used to go on the company's platform or maybe their website and apply through that platform. So it does not keep my resume on the waiting list. It directly reaches out to the HR. I'm pretty sure many of you would like to ride a bike to stay fit, but if I tell you that you can earn the money by riding a bicycle, so yes, there are jobs available here in Germany as a part-time for the deliveries. So there are websites like Lifrando, Zinc, Fling, and there are many more websites who tries to hire a delivery rider, and the wages are really good, and on top of that you get the tip as well. So maybe if you are searching for a part-time job, again this is the best option for you guys. So the next hot job is working at the warehouses. So warehouses, I meant like Amazon, DHL sorting centers. So what you guys need to do is simply go to their website or maybe their online platform, fill up one form and reach out to them if they have any opportunities available. But mostly what I have seen, that whosoever tries to apply for Amazon or DHL are easily get placed in those companies. So that's one of the easiest part-time job you can find here in Germany. Last and not the least, there are a lot of applications available in the Germany wherein you can search for the day-to-day job or maybe the hot job. So I had a lot of friends who did use this Zenjob application to do the daily job. So the task is somewhat like a hot job, that you, in a day you get to work in the clothing store, maybe the next day you apply for some delivery or maybe for mopping or maybe any other random job. But this application is quite useful. I have personally seen the result of this application. I myself tried this application at once, and there is no waiting list for on this application. So I think this is the one of the best application I have found out so far here in Germany. So I hope you guys might have liked this video. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can get back to you on that. Or maybe if you need my help, please directly reach out to me on my Instagram. So my Instagram I'm gonna put here in the description below. And until then, happy job hunting. See ya.